So Anker sent me quite a big box and I'm going to guess how much the gear inside is worth. So let's do that. It's heavy. It's quite heavy. Yeah. Ooh. If I had to guess how much the cost of the production of the box is, I would say between $20 and $30 in production costs, because that is quite a sturdy. Then we have Anker Prime, here's to the visionaries, so I guess this is to me. Going to read that later. Ooh. Oh, it's double stacked. Actually remove this and opening it. Oh, okay, there's a straight thingy. It's actually quite deep. Do you know what USB-C is? I need a knife for the unboxing. See you in a bit. And of course, unboxing cannot be done with a small knife. You need a gigantic big knife. Good looking. So let's open this one up and see what's inside and if I can actually guess another black box. Anker for Apple, Samsung, Google and more. High-speed data transfer, ultra-fast data transfer and charging cable. 40 gigabytes per second, supports 8K displays and up to 240 watt USB-C fast charging. Holy crap. It's not coming. Now it's coming out. Okay. Oh, the cable is really heavy. I think this is the heaviest cable that I've ever had. The thing is, in Germany, cables, especially in electronic markets, are really expensive. Also, it smells very good. I say this is $30 per cable. And this is the real price. Oh, I'm really close. $29.99 and I said 30. Okay, maybe I'm really good at guessing prices. Another small box. Do you know what a display port is? This time it's a blue variant. Oh, it's not? What the fuck? I've never heard of these things as well. This is a portable magnetic SD and TF card reader. Anker Go USB-C adapter 3-in-1, 10 gigabytes for the iPhone. Put this on your iPhone on the back and then you can read portably via the MagSafe TF and SD cards into your iPhone. So this is the thingy. It's rubbery, the texture is great. And then you open it up and then you have a USB-C port on the top as well, and TF reader right here and an SD card reader right here. I guess niche product, so I would say $15. And the real price is, hey, $24.99, so it's $10 off. Next one, slightly bigger box. Do you know what HDMI is? Thank you, box, I know what HDMI is. Another black Anker Prime product, Series 7. Anker for Apple, Samsung and more. Anker Prime ultra fast charging, the 100 watt powerful and portable wall charger. Heavy AF. Let's open this up. Can I get it out? Yes, I can. This is not a German plug, this is an American plug, so it's completely useless for me. Great. Let's say probably more than the Go charging, Go device, so more than 24 probably, so I say it's 35. This is the real price, $79.99. Holy fuck, I'm so off, I'm off like really off. So next one, the first thing that is really heavy, and it's really heavy. Do you know the difference between a hub and a docking station? There is nothing on the box. Oh, so it opens up like this. Whoa, okay. Whoa, well, that is, that is an interesting product. There is also a cable. Get out. And this is actually an Anker 551 USB-C hub 18-in-1 tablet stand. Oh, a USB-C to 90-degree cable. Now look at this thing. This is heavy, and I mean this weighs at least a pound, I guess. Okay. So this is the tablet thingy. Now actually also here, as you can see, this is really nice, because I really like the form factor and the weight. This is something I was actually looking after and then completely forgot it. This is hard. I'd say this is about $69. And here's the real price. Oh, I'm off again. I said 69, it's 99.99. Maybe, probably, I don't know. I need to test this out and see if it's actually good, usable for my work case, and then I would also probably pay 99 for it. Let's go down there. We have two small ones. It's another box without anything on it. Let's open it up. I have no clue what that is. These are magnetic. Here, I guess, is this a cable holder of some sort? Is it magnetic? Yes. Okay, so this is magnetic. I say this is under $20. I say this is $15.99. And here's the real price. $11.99. So I was only shortly off. And it's cheaper than I thought. So that's good. $11.99. I like it. Next box. So I can connect two HDMI ports to this small box, and I have one output, and I have a switcher on top. Great. I say also under $20. I say this is another $15.99. Here's the real price. Okay, $17.99. Not that far off as well. Do you know what an audio port is? Yes, I really know what an audio port is. So this is a power expand USB-C to Ethernet adapter. I think this is something I'm not using or I'm not going to use, so I have no clue what this is about and how much this costs. I would say probably another $15, and here's the real price, $22.99. Okay, that is also more than I thought. I need to test it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in the long term. Another product. And now we are down to the last one, and also probably not very big because I can feel it moving inside of the box. It's an Anker USB-C hub 5-in-1 4K HDMI. It's a very sleek dock. Let's also get this away. Yeah, it's the quintessential, most normal looking small dock that I've ever seen. 5 GB USB-A to normal USB-A's with a mouse and a keyboard port on top of it. I don't think I've seen anyone with a cable mouse and a cable keyboard in the last 5 years or so. And then we have an HDMI port without me knowing what kind of HDMI port. 4K HDMI on the back. Okay, reading is a great thing. I say $39.99. This is the real price. Okay, this time I'm way off in terms of it's too expensive. It's $19.99. Okay, I'm absolutely okay with $19.99 for 3 ports to connect your old devices, power in, and an HDMI with 4K output. Okay, great package. Overall, I'm really pleased with what I got in the box. There are a couple of really useful things. The tablet stand is something I'm looking forward to. And I'm going to test the HDMI switching thingy, and of course the cable is. This is something I really enjoy. So thank you very much, Anker, for sending me this box, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. See you in the next video. Bleach is out. Bye bye.